In this tutorial, we'll show you how to quickly navigate through Paymo. Once you log in, you'll notice a sidebar menu composed of a few elements. Modules are the main building blocks. Each one contains specific information about clients, projects, users, and so on. A special module is Home, which acts as a command center for your entire operations. Click on it to get access to 3 different areas. My Tasks shows you all tasks assigned to yourself. Teams Tasks reunites all tasks across all projects for the whole team. And Dashboard, which acts as a company health barometer with financial and business indicators. Next in line are shortcuts, which allow you to save certain areas in Paymo that you access on a regular basis, as well as external resources. Think of them as a handy list of favorite bookmarks, always in close reach. Both modules and shortcuts are editable. Just open the customization options at the bottom and click on the eye icon to display only the most relevant modules. Or rearrange them with a simple click and drag. The same goes for shortcuts. Back on top, in-app notifications keep you updated about the latest project details. No need to check your inbox for upcoming deadlines and comments anymore. Depending on your user role, the Quick Add button allows you to add tasks, projects, time entries, and users on the go, fast and convenient. While the search option helps you easily find out any type of information across the platform based on the keywords that you type in and the selected filters. Further down, you'll find a web timer designed to track time for a specific project and task. Open it, then start the time. Switch tasks midway in case other urgent matters take place. Or view how your time entries add up for today and all the past days through the Show Recent Tasks area. Just don't forget to stop it when you finish work, otherwise it will continue running even when the browser is closed. Last but not least, we have the Settings area. In the first part, you can handle your user account and company settings, as well as your billing history, in case you want to change your subscription. The second part is dedicated to learning. Read about Paymo's basic and advanced features on our help page, or upvote feature suggestions directly on our community forum. The third part gives you access to our desktop and mobile time tracking tools, as well as integrations. The discounted marketplace, on the other hand, is only available to paid users who are looking for complementary software to Paymo at a discounted price. Also note that you can collapse the menu from the top to get more screen space when it comes to displaying data. If you ever need any help, get in touch with our support team through the bubble chat in the bottom right corner and they'll get back to you in no time. Alright, this concludes our navigation tutorial, which means you're ready to start working in Paymo.